42, and it goes 52.
College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Fulton County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:48 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fort Littleton to Midmore, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include
Harrisburg, Shippensburg, Greencastle, Guilford, St. Thomas.
the following Interstate 70 per mile markers 167 to 170. Interstate 81 per mile markers 0 to 25. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Franklin and Fulton. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Allegheny County in western Maryland, western Morgan County in the panhandle of West Virginia till 5 p.m. 4:28 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Paw Paw, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
The stupid static's back. It's cloudy outside. I thought it wouldn't happen.
Impacted include Paw Paw, Great Cuckhaven, Little Orleans, Forest Park, Lineburg, Bellegrove, Fisher's Bridge, Pumpkin Center, Green Ridge, and Magnolia.
There's a lightning detector.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Hagerstown and Martinsburg, Central Maryland, northeastern Allegheny County in western Maryland, northern Morgan County in the panhandle of West Virginia, northeastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Berkeley Springs, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Hancock, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
That's good. No static this
Hazard,
time.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Good.
Source, radar indicated.
Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles.
Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Hancock, Berkeley Springs, Falling Waters, Great Cuckhaven, Clear Spring, Pennsville, Pentonville, Big Spring, Big Pool, Little Orleans, Cherry Run, Johnsontown, Lineburg, Valley View, Sparse Crossroads, Spruce Pine Hollow, Forest Park, Bellegrove, Berryville, and New Hope.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Hagerstown. Northwest wind 5 to The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 5:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilson Conifer or near Hagerstown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Hagerstown, Municipal Stadium, Robinwood, Fountainhead Orchard, Paramount Long Meadow, Wilson Carver, Williamsport, Mount Etna, St. James, Halfway, Bonneville, Kingstown, Funkstown, Falling Waters, Fairplay, Clear Spring, Kingsville, Big Spring, and Bridgeport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m.
Oh boy.
The service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Holland, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Hello?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
There it goes.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Holland, Paradise, Terra Hill, Churchtown, Bearville, Intercourse, Blue Ball, Gordonville, Goodville, Bird in Hand, and White Horse.
Warning for East Central Lancaster County and South Central Pennsylvania until 6 p.m.
295.
College, Pennsylvania has
Inside
issued
a
a severe
well-built
thunderstorm
structure
warning
and
for
away from
East
windows.
Central Lancaster County and South
A
Central
severe
Pennsylvania.
thunderstorm warning has
Hazard,
been issued
60
until
miles
6
per
p.m.
hour
to the
with
following
gusts and
counties:
quarter-size hail.
Pennsylvania.
Find any is all odds we can make. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over New Holland.
The National Weather Service
at 35 miles per hour.
Well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has Intercourse, Blue Ball, Gordonville, Goodville, Bird in Hand, and
Thank you. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.
Like you carry 12 bags, massive insurance.
And some... Hey!